If you observe second type, the second type of sex determination is genetic balance theory of sex determination. Here the ratio between autosomes and allosomes, the ratio between autosomes and sex chromosomes determine the sex of organism. This genetic balance theory of sex determination mainly we can see in Drosophila. Number of autosomes are there for number of sex chromosomes, or ratio between sex chromosomes and autosomes. Based on the ratio between sex chromosomes and autosomes, we can determine the sex of individual. If you see or if you observe this table, if Drosophila contain 4 sex chromosomes and if Drosophila contain 4 sets of autosomes, autosomes are 4 sets, next allosomes are 4, sex chromosomes are 4. How to find the ratio in between sex chromosomes and autosomes? That is by X by A formula. Here X means number of sex chromosomes, A means number of sets of autosomes. Example, X by A for this organism. This is first Drosophila, which contain 4 sex chromosomes and 4 sets of autosomes. Means instead of X, what we have to keep? 4 sex chromosomes and divided by 4 sets of autosomes. 4 by 4 equal to 1. If the ratio between sex chromosomes and the number of sets of autosomes is equal to 1, then that organism is become into female. Next, in second type, 1 sex chromosome is there and 2 sets of autosomes are there. Here if you apply this to the formula X by A, X equal to 1 and the A equal to 2, 1 by 2 equal to 0.5. If the ratio between number of sex chromosomes divided by number of sets of autosomes is equal to 0.5, then we can see the formation of a male. 0.5 ratio will give formation of male and 1 ratio will give formation of female. Then if the ratio is more than 1, like 1.5, which become into meta female. If the ratio is below 0.5, like 0.33, which become into meta male. Okay, how meta female is formed, we will see. Number of sex chromosomes in one Drosophila is 3. Number of sets of autosomes in Drosophila is 2. 3 by 2 equal to 1.5. 1 means female, 1.5 means here meta female. How meta female is formed? By the ratio in between number of sex chromosomes and the number of sets of autosomes. If it will equal to more than 1 ratio, that become into an meta female. Here if you observe here in the fourth Drosophila, number of sex chromosomes are 1, number of sets of autosomes are 3. 1 by 3 equal to 0.33, means less than 0.5, which belongs to meta male. That is the genetic balance theory of sex determination. In next class we will discuss about the haplodiploid type of sex determination. Thank you. For more updates, share, subscribe the